cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the naval point on Pokhara.
That is exactly
Yeah, it's him.
Here you're finally through on the cruise. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the gym.
definitely the same actor.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Pokhara Mal personnel, this is your final call to board. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara. Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Yes.
Oh my
I
gosh.
just want to be sure. All crews must be on board now.
Vietnam?
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
I don't know.
Vietnam is like,
There's Lieutenant Beck. Okay, we're gonna
Vietnam
take
is
a...
that guy. He's like a monkey and has a mustache.
My hands and foot to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Oh, we're heading for that
Is
thing.
there anything we can do right now? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141.
We're gonna be boarded.
We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
That is no longer our problem.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared. This is scary.
Right inside the cell.
You two come forward.
Uniforms. I sense it.
You sense him?
Yes, I do.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I forgot the locations. Good? What's good about that? They stole them. We think.
Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn
Oh, we're right by the probe.
Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Take cover, recruits!
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
I only noticed the ceiling.
I know, me too.
Missed it.
Oh, he's coming. There he is. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
So windy.
Gotta get close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's oxygen.
We just did all the Star Wars things.
Sector 4.
Yeah, we gotta get your droid.
Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant?